Welcome back, baby.
Thank you.
So, a lot's been going on since you left.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did I miss?
So, the kitchen island has been stained, and I did one coat of polyurethane coating.
Okay.
I think it needs a second layer, but we'll
Why?
do that. Just because it's still like a wood texture. It doesn't feel any like waterproof or anything. So maybe even 2 or 3 coats. We'll see.
You sound sick?
I am.
Did all the work get to you?
Yeah. I caught a cold.
Should I be wearing a mask?
No, I got tested and I'm negative. You don't need to wear that mask.
Carry on.
It's backwards.
I'm backwards.
Anyway, so the hallway where the doggy washing station is has been tiled. So the actual doggy station has been tiled, and the floor. I've actually been today and yesterday been doing some drywall. I think I'm eating a lot of dust. Looks good though. And crack filling as well.
Do you even need me?
Yes, for camera purposes. And
You don't even need me for that. It's just on a table.
well,
Am I just emotional support?
yeah, of course.
Okay. Good.
And the floor in the main floor bathroom has been tiled. The floor in the master bathroom has been tiled. The shower's all done. The fixtures in the shower has been put in.
Okay.
So the shower heads and all that. We didn't put the tub in just because we still need to clean it and refinish it with paint. So that's going to be a little delayed, but at least we can take a shower. The vanity in the master bathroom has been put in, and those fixtures, like the faucets and stuff. We have a new toilet seat. I also sanded and stained, or actually my dad sanded and I stained the master bedroom floor.
So my dad and I started it, and your dad and you finished it.
Yeah,
Nice.
so
Cute.
2 duos. We have a lot of family members helping out with sanding the stairs, so thank you guys.
We're trying to finish all the sanding before we move in.
We have to move in 2 days. Fun.
Yeah. That's
Actually, we're going to make a video of us moving in, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a nightmare, especially with the dog. If it was just us two,
Oh my god.
no big deal, but we have a, 7-month-old puppy, and he likes to
He's very
He likes to
rambunctious.
explore. So, he might actually go live with your parents for a week or 2. Just so that we can,
Might be for the best.
when David was gone, he was living with his parents just because I was doing a lot of work. And I can't juggle 3 things at once.
2 balls max?
2 balls max. No. But stop! You freaking okay. Anyway, this lovely grapevine,
Oh yeah.
it's getting there. They're still green, but
It reminds me of my childhood.
I think they're probably sour as heck.
Yeah. What are you doing? Grapes are toxic before they're ready.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No.
Yeah. Spit it out.
They're not. And it didn't taste weird, they're just sour. I don't think they're toxic.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not. Trying to trick me. Anyways.
Back on track.
Oh, the windows came in. So we have to wait until we can get those in.
And we have friends visiting us in like 2 weeks. And
So we have to host 2, maybe 3.
no, I think just 2.
Oh.
Worst case, we can just set up a tent and they can pretend like they're camping.
No, we'll
make it work.
make it work. Worst case, we'll just all sleep in the same bedroom.
I thought you could only juggle 2 balls at once.
Oh, frick off. Anyways, peace.
That's where we're at. Sorry for the quick update. I don't have a mic anymore, so I'm gonna have to yell. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.
Peace.
This is night 1.
Of moving in.
Yeah, we realized we didn't film today.
It was chaotic. Last night, it was even more chaotic.
Why?
Because
Because